Hello everybody, welcome back to the Design Edge. Today I'm going to be talking about or giving an introduction to design. We're going to start off here with some principles. First of all, we're going to start off with some philosophies and how beauty is often considered greater than ugly, how practicality is greater than purity, as well as how simple is often considered greater than complex. Moving on now, it's always important to keep in mind that you have to tell a story and read things over so you don't guess anything about the user. Along with some other principles, we have to engage with white space to help the viewer focus their attention to give greater impacts. We also have to minimize things, short, paired, powerful sentences that grab attention and communicate ideas quickly. We have to use ergonomics, designing with physical human needs in mind. And we have to use user-centered design basic principles. The needs, desires, and limitations of users have to be at the center of every stage. Now we move on to some elements where we have to often modify designs, omit specific designs, use opposition in designs, create some sort of 2-for-1 deal, use the eclectic nature of some sort of natural phenomenon or thing that we're designing, imitate, create blueprints, and utilize the noise. Now when we talk about values, there's 5 big ones that we have to be concerned with. Those are the effectiveness, the efficiency, the engagingness, the error tolerance, and the ease of learning. An easy formula that we can use to remember all these things is to give tangible features and add in brand equity prices. That means that all we have to really do is balance prestige and significance, which is the value from brands, and the functionality. Lastly, we want to talk a little bit about usefulness. Usefulness is really just utility plus usability. Utility provides functions users need, and usability makes it easy in functions to present. So in a nutshell, we can divide design into really these spheres or sort of influence that are either fast, they're haste, lack something, they're cheap, they're rare, it's late or requires additional time, it's great, it pays for its quality, it's bad, it's unprofitable, it's a learning platform, or it's free. The important thing to remember is that there's the fine line between free, fast, cheap, and great products, and these all come together in a rare but best form, and we try to focus on the learning platform aspect of things. One other thing to keep in mind are KISS principles. Really, all this means is to keep it simple, stupid. And how to do that is you narrow your assumptions to create simplistic views, and you simplify these views because simplicity is naturally sophisticated and less is often greater than more. You really want to design for perfection when you do not need to take anything else away because you've already added everything you needed. So what is good design? Well, in a checklist, it's unobtrusive, it's honest, it's long-lasting, environmentally conscious, it actually has little design, it's useful, it's innovative, it has an aesthetic, it's structured, and it's understandable. Just check them off as you go along while designing anything. One more thing to mention, now that we've concluded this video, we have a new posting schedule every Friday at 4 p.m. Thanks for tuning in this week. We'll see you next time.